I think I will go there. Okay? Hello everyone. Assalamu alaikum. Welcome back to another exciting presentation of Khalid Zaman. Today I'm going to talk to you about 5 alternative ways to say I think. How long we will say I think. We want to change our vocabulary, right? So, let's begin. Number 1. I'm not going to lie. I'm not going to lie. Or you can say, I'm not gonna lie. I'm not gonna lie. Number 2. In all honesty. In all honesty. In all honesty. Number 3. In my view. In my view. In my view. Number 4. If you ask me. If you ask me. If you ask me. Number 5. As far as I can tell. As far as I can tell. As far as I can tell. So, that is it for today's presentation. I hope you enjoyed it. I'll be back with an exciting presentation. Till then, Allah Hafiz.